Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Today is May 12th, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. We just finished filming our first live video and I really must admit, I enjoyed it. It's so easy just to sit down in front of the computer, press record, and boom, video up. So I can at least say I think I can see more live videos in our future. Anyway, but for those who did not watch the live broadcast, me and Joseph and some of our other close family and friends are headed to Vegas because we getting married. Yes, we are getting married in Vegas. We're about to head to the airport in a few, and we have a direct flight. Thank God. And I think the flight is like 4 hours. I downloaded me a nice little movie to watch on Netflix, so that'll keep me busy. Joseph is, I think he's playing with the cameras right now and setting the alarm on the house because we're literally about to walk out the door. I did get an email saying the flight was overbooked and it was looking for volunteers to, I guess, be bumped to the next flight. We ain't about that life. We got things to do. We trying to say I do tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned. Next time I pick the video back up, we'll probably be at the airport. I'm not going to film the whole checking in process. It's 2019. I think everybody has checked into an airport before. But yeah, the flight doesn't leave until 4. It's 12:24. We're parking, I think, at a hotel nearby the airport, nearby the airport. And then we're gonna take a shuttle to the airport. So I'm not gonna film none of that. I mean, it's just a shuttle ride. But yeah, so I'll pick it back up later.